We are the organized kids.
We teach you how to organize.
And we have fun. I'm going to show you how to organize your dog food. First thing you do is you see what is right to go in the bin, like a plate or a fork or any kinds of food, and if any other toys in there, you can just put them where they belong. I'm using bins to put all of my stuff in because that's what helps me stay organized and show me where my stuff is. So use these bins you can pull out because you can do lots of stuff with them. You can put whatever kinds of stuff in, or if you want to just be organized, you can just put it in separate bins. So I have one for food, one for school, one for bath, and one for Pokemon cards. I like it organized because it makes me very neat and organized. When my stuff is organized, I don't have to find anything. And pretend I lost my American Girl doll and I couldn't find it, and then I find it. That's what people should do to be organized. Just be organized to have a nice, clean room.
Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every Tuesday.